Hi everyone, this is Emily from the Blue Flame Kitchen. Today we're talking about how to peel tomatoes. So why do we peel tomatoes? Sometimes, especially if you're growing your own tomatoes, tomato skins can be quite thick. And when you're cooking them in a sauce, they can separate from the flesh and become kind of stringy, and you might not want that in your sauce. The only equipment that you need for this technique is a pot of boiling water, a slotted spoon, a super sharp knife, and an ice bath. You definitely don't want to use overripe tomatoes to peel your tomatoes. This one's really great. It's ripe, but it's not overly ripe, so it should work perfectly. What we're going to need to do is very lightly score it at the bottom of the tomato in an X. Just like that. Same thing with the cherry tomatoes. Just a little X. I'm going to do a few cherry tomatoes. And you don't want to score it too deep so that you see the flesh or the seeds coming out. That will risk your tomatoes getting waterlogged when you're going to be blanching them in the boiling water. So once you have your water boiling, you're going to drop your tomato in. Depending on the size of the tomato, it'll take between 20 seconds and 30 seconds. Once you see the skin starting to separate from its flesh, immediately take it out of the boiling water and shock it in some ice water to stop the cooking. You want to stop the cooking immediately. If you leave the tomato in the ice water for too long, your tomato is going to get waterlogged. Once it's cool, remove it from the ice water and see how easy it is to remove the peel. If the skin has a tendency to stick in a certain spot, you could always take your paring knife and help it along by peeling it back. Same method for the cherry tomatoes. The only difference is, of course, they're going to take a whole lot quicker to blanch. We're talking 5 to 10 seconds maximum. Again, we're looking for the peel to slightly blister and right into the ice bath. So we're looking for the same thing. You just want to shock your tomato, make sure that the cooking stops dead in its tracks. You don't want to keep your tomato in that ice bath too long, or else it risks waterlogging. Sometimes all it takes is a little light pressure and your peel is going to come off all in one go. It's pretty satisfying. See how easy that was? Now you know how to peel your own tomatoes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.